Hey there, welcome back to Native Made Woodworking. I'm Mary, and today we have an unboxing. I bought some wood while everybody was out celebrating New Year's Eve. I was home with a cold. I came back from the vacation with a cold, and so I had to stay in and not have fun. But I did have fun. I ordered a box from exoticwoodzone. And these are the Defective Bowl Blanks. So I thought I would order a box, and they came in 10, 15, and 20 pounds. So I ordered a 20-pound box, and somehow on New Year's Eve that just didn't seem like the right amount. So then I was going to order 40 pounds, and I thought, well, no, that's too much. So then I decided to order 30 pounds, and that was just right. It was like I don't know, like Goldilocks or something, you know. Anyway, so I thought I'd wait, and we could do this together, you and I, and see what we get. Now I do wood turn, so I have a lathe. So that's why these are the Defective Bowl Blanks. And right now they've got a deal where you can get a Christmas gift. They sent me a Christmas gift. Oh, so cute. I love it. Free wood. Anyway, so here's the box. Oh, here we go. 30 pounds of wood. It's heavy. And okay, so you know, I am not like the best person to identify wood. That is for sure, because I am a newbie woodworker and a newbie wood turner. But this looks like, and I can see why they say Defective Bowl Blanks, because this is kind of a little misshapen, but you know, it's walnut. It's gonna be a nice piece of walnut too. And here goes another piece of walnut. And yeah, and I do see the cracks. There are the cracks. See that? Now this one is very small. This one is oh, get my tape measure here. This one is like 4 1/4 probs by 4 1/8 by roughly 4 1/8 maybe. This would be good for a like a salt and pepper shaker. Yeah, we'll turn that right into a pepper shaker. Remind me. This can even be like a pepper shaker. We could do a pepper mill out of this, like a small one. I've seen these where, you know, you can turn these, and there's like this old timey churning metal on top, and we can just stick that on there and call that a day, right? Let's see what else we got. Another block of walnut. And again, yeah, it is misshapen, and it's hard to see what, you know, what these are. I mean, we can kind of see on the sides, but they're so rough sawn that, you know, it's tough to really see what they are. Except for this one. This one's not bad. You can kind of see from there. There's a big university thing right there, the Milky Way. That's kind of cool. Kill me, but this looks like, I don't know, I guess this is maple. You know, I hate it when they're not identified, since, like I say, I'm not the greatest wood identifier ever. There is obviously something happening here, but you know, we could always put some epoxy filler in this, and if we don't make these bowls, it's thick enough that we can, it's a little over 1.5 inches, maybe 1 5/8 inches. You can always saw it in half and make some coasters out of it. Now this is kind of light, and it looks to me to be cherry wood, maybe. If you guys know, or if you know, feel free to let me know. I don't know. I think this is maple again. It's interesting. It's going to be interesting. So we'll figure out what to do with this. If you have any suggestions, I guess we could make like a plate. Ooh, we could saw it in half and make it this salt shaker. Oh, here we go. Here's a little salt shaker. Now I saw these cute ones somewhere, and they were tiny little salt shakers, but they were good enough to put like next to the stove, you know. This one's got like a little bit of a ding right here, but again, you know, not to worry. We can. That's easily taken out with some epoxy. Oh, cute! Look, that looks like a little smiley face. He's happy to be here. And I'm guessing, I'm going to assume this is maple. It's really light. I almost want to say this might be poplar. You see that green thing right there? I don't know. Interesting. And then this is another light one, which I'm guessing maybe mahogany. I don't know. As I say, if you know, please slap them in the comments. Now I'm thinking, maybe this might be cherry. Oh yeah, these might be cherry. Yeah, see how these are a little darker than this one? Not by much, but you can tell the difference. So I'm thinking these are cherry. Look at me go, huh? Identifying wood species. Yes. And I got a couple more large pieces of walnut. I didn't tell you, man. I love walnut. I love it when, you know, when you make something out of it. But I didn't tell you, this stuff is heavy, and it's hard to go through your saws and whatnot. I feel like I need a more mighty bandsaw. And then here's another walnut. This is going to be pretty. We're going to have to figure out what, you know, and I guess I can make, you know what I can do is, if I wanted to make them deeper, make my bowls deeper, is I have a planer over here, and we can put those together. We can flatten it up, and we can put those together, and we can make a deeper bowl. Now it's going to be heavy, but I think my lathe can handle it. We should do that. Let's do that. You want to try that? I think we should try that. I think we should plane these. I think we should glue them up and make a bowl. Yeah, let's do that. I mean, we could even, you know, I mean we kind of do that thing. But whatever. Anyway, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out as time goes. This is a piece of wood. Yeah, interesting piece of wood, but it's like it's spongy on the cut side, and on this side it's got fascinating. It's got a little bit of yellow in it. And this, ooh, they labeled it free gift. Yeah, free gift. And it did say on the paper what the free gift was. And it is a mahogany bowl blank. That's what this is. Mahogany. So, anyway, there we go. And that is it. That is 30 pounds of bowl blanks. Awesome. So anyway, like I said, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and all that. And if you know what any of these are, please drop a message in the comments, and then we can talk about this. You know, let's put these together. Let's mill these up. You want it? We'll put them together, glue them, like I said, or we could glue them with one of these lighter pieces. I don't know. You know, I've been thinking about making my mother-in-law, because she knits and crochets. I wanted to make her a knitting bowl, but none of the bowl blanks that I was seeing anywhere were wide enough. So I thought it was going to be a specialty thing. And unfortunately, I didn't have time before Christmas, before we left on that big train trip to her house. But I do have time now, and I guess I can always mail it to her for her birthday. Great. All right. Anyway, I hope to see you again. Thanks for joining me for the unboxing of my shipment from Exotic Bowl. Oh wait, Exotic Wood Zone. Let's gonna call it Exotic Wood Blanks. No, Exotic Wood Zone. And we'll get another box. See what we get. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.